guys, we finally got our guys burgers. As you can see, it was pretty hectic on the Lido deck there. So many people, and it's 3 o'clock, 3-ish, but I want to show you what I got. So here's the chili cheese fries that I got. Amazing. Oh, no cheese, sorry, just chili fries. But what I'm really excited about is this Thunderstruck Nacho burger, which looks great. We got some picnics in there, nacho cheese as well. Onion. I put an ash for an onion ring, and there's like a pico de gallo that goes on there. Look at that. I think that's what's different, is that pico de gallo. We're gonna go ahead and take our first bite. Look at how amazing that looks, guys. Oh my gosh. You guys ready for a bite of this? I am. Let's see if I can tilt it this way here for you guys. Alright. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Half of my face is gone, but that's alright. Oh, I don't even know where to start, guys. I don't even know where to start. Fries. Good. The chili is weird. It tastes like it has cinnamon in it, or cardamom, some kind of spice in there. I'm not used to. I don't remember it was like this. Y'all don't put no cinnamon in your chili. Who does that? All right, you guys ready for the first bite? I'm excited about this nacho cheese and the pico de gallo. But guys, oh my god, it's just humongous. The Thunderstruck Nacho burger. Let's do this. Oh my god. I didn't think I was gonna like it. It's really good. There's Bo again, not having a good experience. You have to try this. You want to try it? I'm gonna add a little bit of this brown sugar barbecue sauce. Make it a barbecue Thunderstruck Nacho burger. There it is. Check that out. Look at that. Check that out, guys. We had some great conversation in deck 11. Shout out to Angie. It was great meeting you and talking to you today. I'll just say thank you for the work that you do for our community that are struggling. I'll just leave it at that. Jalapeno is everything. I don't know about this chili cheese fries. Or the chili. The chili is very... They must have changed them. It's not like this on the Miracle. They added some kind of cinnamon or something. It was not good. I'm cool with that. Alright guys, one more bite with you. Ooh, I just got a piece of that jalapeno. That shit was so hot. Look at that jalapeno that's hanging right there. Check that out. You guys ready? Oh, put a little more barbecue sauce. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, there's beans. There's beans, guys. There's beans in it too. Oh my god.
Curly.
Alright guys, let's close this video up. Thank you for hanging out with me on this, trying out the new Thunderstruck Nacho Burger, which I highly recommend. Some great surprises on there with some refried beans, pico de gallo, jalapeno. Try it. It's very, very good. I am surprised. I try that. That's where the beans are. And some salsa, like a pico de gallo salsa. It's a bomb. Of course, Bo's hating on it.
Beans on a burger.
It tastes really good. What do you mean? It's like a torta. It's done, you know what I mean? Alright guys. I'm full. We got, we're not going to formal dining tonight. We actually have steakhouse reservations. Look at me, I'm sweating. Jesus Christ. Did I get dark already, guys? Alright. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, we got our cup still, Mr. Toof Mukbanger. YouTube. See you guys on the next one. Bye.